Hello there, welcome to Cyber Learning. In this video, I will show you 5 hidden tricks for Excel. So let's dive into the video. So now here the very first trick is let's add table in Excel. So for this, select the table here, and once you select it, here you will see the option Insert, click on it, and now here click on Table. And yes, we have headers here, so just simply click on OK. And now the table is added in Excel. So in this way, you can add table in Excel. Now let's move to the next trick. So now the next trick is also related to this table. So if I click here on table, so as you see, there are different table styles. So you can choose according to your choice. So I am just obsessed with blue here and it will look just perfect. So I will go with blue here. Now next move to the third trick. That is totals row. So we have all of our data here, but we don't have anything that summarizes it. So now tap on table and now go to design here. And now here you see this option total row. So simply check it. And as you see, the row is added. So if I click on this drop down menu, here you can add average, count number, max, min and sum. So let's go with sum here. And this is the sum of these prices. Let's ahead to the third trick. That is to add a row. So if you want to add a row before the total one, so what you can do is simply click on the last row, click on the row after which you want to add a new row. So simply click on tab and a new row will be added and then you can enter your data easily. This was trick number 4. Now let's move to the fifth and the last one for this video. So the fifth trick is to hide these numbers from table. Remember, they will not be deleted, they will be just hide. So for this, just select all these and right click on it. And now go to format cells here. Click on it. Okay, so now here you see custom, click on it. And now enter this formula here, which is semicolon, semicolon, semicolon @ and then click on OK. And now as you see, all numbers are hidden. Now, if we want to get back our numbers here, just press Ctrl plus Shift plus Tilt. So in this way, you will get your numbers back. That was the 5 hidden tricks of Excel. This is it for today's video. If this content helped you, leave a like on the video, leave a compliment or a suggestion in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting tutorials. Bye!